In this video, we are diving into the IOSH 5x5 risk matrix, a crucial tool used by professionals worldwide to assess and manage workplace risks. Whether you're new to occupational health and safety or looking to refresh your knowledge, we will discuss how to understand and apply the IOSH 5x5 matrix effectively. So let's get started. What is the IOSH 5x5 risk matrix? The IOSH 5x5 risk matrix is a tool developed by the Institution of Occupational Safety and Health, the world's largest health and safety membership organization. This matrix is designed to help safety professionals assess the severity and likelihood of workplace hazards, facilitating a structured approach to risk management. The matrix is called 5x5 because it consists of a grid with 5 columns and 5 rows, each representing varying degrees of likelihood and severity of potential risks. This visual and straightforward tool allows for the quick categorization of risks, helping organizations prioritize their safety efforts effectively. Why is it important? Understanding and utilizing the IOSH 5x5 risk matrix is vital for several reasons. Firstly, it helps identify potential risks that could harm workers or disrupt business operations. Secondly, by prioritizing risks based on their severity and likelihood, organizations can allocate resources more efficiently, focusing on the most critical areas first. This proactive approach not only ensures compliance with health and safety regulations, but also fosters a culture of safety and prevention within the workplace. How to use the IOSH 5x5 risk matrix. Using the IOSH 5x5 risk matrix involves several steps. Identification. Begin by identifying potential hazards in the workplace. These could range from physical hazards like machinery to environmental ones like noise or chemicals. Assessment. Next, assess each hazard using the matrix. Determine the likelihood of the hazard occurring from rare to almost certain, and the severity of its potential impact from negligible to catastrophic. Evaluation. The intersection of the likelihood and severity in the matrix helps categorize the risk level from low to high. This evaluation helps in understanding which risks require immediate action. Mitigation. Develop and implement strategies to mitigate identified risks. This could involve eliminating the hazard, substituting it with something less dangerous, or using protective measures to reduce the risk. Review. Regularly review the matrix and the effectiveness of the mitigation strategies. This ensures that changes in the workplace or in the hazards themselves are reflected in your risk management approach. Tips for effective implementation. To maximize the benefits of the IOSH 5x5 risk matrix, consider these tips. Engage your team. Involvement from all levels of your organization ensures a comprehensive identification and assessment of risks. Customize when necessary. While the matrix is versatile, feel free to adapt it to better fit the specific needs of your workplace. Use technology. Various software tools can streamline the risk assessment process, making it easier to document, analyze, and review risks. Implementing these tips can significantly enhance your risk management efforts, creating a safer and more productive workplace. Practical examples. Let's consider a practical example. Using heavy machinery in a factory. The likelihood of an accident might be categorized as possible, and the severity as major according to the IOSH 5x5 matrix. This would place the risk in the medium category, necessitating certain safety measures like training and protective equipment. Another example could be the risk of slips and falls in an office. If the likelihood is likely and the severity minor, the risk might be considered low but still requires attention to prevent accidents. The IOSH 5x5 risk matrix is an indispensable tool for anyone involved in managing workplace safety. It not only aids in identifying and evaluating risks, but also helps prioritize safety measures in a cost-effective manner. Remember, a safe workplace is not just a regulatory requirement, it's a cornerstone of a thriving, productive business.